Quick question. Ever thrown together a solution so last minute, you used duct tape, a pizza box, and pure determination? Yeah, that's more common than you think. Hey, word explorers. Today's word of the day is one you might have heard in meetings or TV shows, but never really stopped to think about: ad hoc. That's spelled ADHOC, pronounced ad hoc. And no, it's not a new dance move, though I'd pay good money to see that. So, what does ad hoc mean? In plain English, ad hoc describes something made for a specific, often unexpected situation. It's like a custom-made fix for a problem you didn't see coming. Imagine your school's classroom projector breaks right before a big presentation. Someone grabs a flashlight, a mirror, and a bedsheet. Voila, instant movie screen. That, my friends, is an ad hoc solution. Let's make it even clearer. Think of ad hoc like cooking with whatever's left in your fridge. You open the door, 3 eggs, a lonely tomato, and half a block of cheese stare back at you. Dinner plans? Out the window. You whip up a wild omelet masterpiece. No recipe, just pure improvisation. That meal? Totally ad hoc. Or picture a superhero team. Usually, there's a plan. Batman does his thing, Wonder Woman does hers. But suddenly, a giant mutant hamster attacks the city. No one's planned for this. The heroes grab whatever's nearby. A garden hose, a giant wheel of cheese, maybe even a trampoline, and improvise. That superhero meeting? 100% ad hoc. Now for a story. Imagine you're hosting a backyard picnic. Suddenly it starts pouring rain. Classic. People are running, sandwiches are soggy, chaos everywhere. You grab chairs, line them up, and stretch a tarp between the trees to make a makeshift tent. Your friend pulls out umbrellas, someone else grabs a stack of pizza boxes to block the wind. It's a mess, but you made it work. On the spot, with whatever you had. That's an ad hoc shelter. You didn't plan it, but you solved the problem anyway. Where do you see ad hoc in real life? Well, in science, researchers might form ad hoc teams to study sudden events, like a rare eclipse. In school, teachers might create an ad hoc group to plan a surprise assembly. Even in tech, programmers write ad hoc code to patch up a bug until a real fix is ready. This word pops up everywhere. So, to recap, ad hoc means made for a specific situation, often in a hurry and using whatever you've got. Next time you MacGyver a solution, you know what to call it. If you found today's word handy, hit like, subscribe, and check back tomorrow for another brain-boosting word of the day. See you then.